Good day, guys. How are you doing? Well, I just hope that we are all doing fine. By the way, for first timers in our channel, please don't forget, after watching our video, please subscribe. Last video, I showed you how to make a pasta dish using a creamed brown sauce. It is a brown sauce with cream added. Today, I will show you how to make a pasta dish using both tomato sauce or tomato concasse and a velouté sauce, and also enhanced with pesto. Okay guys, we will now make our pasta dish. As I have mentioned last video, I'll be using a red one. So, these are our ingredients. I'll be using Fusilli pasta, and my main ingredient is seafood. So it's a fish fillet, mussels, and shrimp. And then the sauce that I'll be using is, I have mentioned this, the tomato concasse, and the velouté, the fish velouté, and then the vegetable. I'll be using chopped garlic, chopped onions, and chopped malunggay leaves. It's difficult to buy parsley nowadays because of the ICQ. That's why at least it is more healthier. And then to do away with the sting of the fish is Calamansi. And to enhance the flavor, of course, the grated cheese, and of course our pesto. Got it, guys? Now we will start. Okay, first we will have to season our main ingredients, our fish and shrimp, with salt and pepper, and we will squeeze some lemon juice in it. Okay. And then okay, after seasoning the main ingredients, we will stir fry our seafoods. We will add olive oil, and then stir fry our main ingredients. We will start with the fish. This is only searing. Okay, you just leave it there. So stir it so much so that you can brown it properly. You can see the surface of the fish. That way you can preserve all the nutrients of the fish intact into the fish, and it's not coming out. Okay. Now it's seared. We take it out, and then next we'll add the shrimp. We will add all the ingredients later so that it will not be overcooked. After the searing, we will start with sauteing our garlic. I'll just be adding a little bit more olive oil. And then there goes the garlic. Of course, using the same pan. If you'll ask me, the garlic is somewhere around 30 to 40 grams. Spaniards, when they saute, they use olive oil. That's why there is no problem, even if it has a lot of oil. Unfortunately, our forefathers during the Spanish time, when they saw Spanish cook food and they put a lot of oil, they really don't know that it should really be olive oil. And whenever they cook, they just put any oil. That's why up to now, it reaches our time. Some of the old folks, they used to cook very oily food because they told all the while that they can use just any kind of oil. Okay. And then we'll have to saute this until it is translucent, and then we will put the wine. The wine that I'm using is soaked. I soaked some herbs. There is some tarragon in here. Okay. So you have to reduce the wine to half of its volume. You have to reduce the wine. So, what we're doing now is we're making the sauce. So, after the wine is reduced, we will add the tomato concasse. 1 cup. And then we will add the velouté. And we'll just let it boil. Now it's boiling, we will add some cheese. There you are. And then of course our pesto. We will add 2 tablespoons of pesto. Okay, so now we will add the seafood. And then of course our pasta. And our chopped malunggay leaves. And we'll bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. We will reduce the heat and simmer this one for about 3 to 5 minutes before we add the cream, and then it's done. Okay, so you can use any vegetable available in your stocks. What I have here now is green peas, so now I will add the green peas, and of course our cream. Stir it. So now our pasta is done. Okay, now it's on our serving plate. Now we'll just sprinkle some more cheese on top. There you go, our cheese. And then our chopped malunggay leaves. Okay, now it's done. Our pasta, it's a fusilli with seafood, and the sauce that I used is a combination of tomato and velouté with cream added. So, and it is enhanced by the pesto. So guys, I hope you learned something today. So, thank you for watching. Well, I believe I have clearly shown you how to make a pasta dish using a tomato concasse and the velouté. Just remember, you can always change the seafood to meat, poultry, and other processed food like ham, bacon, or sausage. Even vegetables, feel free to change the vegetable that I use to any vegetable that you want. The procedure is always the same. And to enhance the flavor of your pasta, always add cheese and pesto. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you have any comment, please comment below. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. On our next video, I'll be using egg as thickener of the sauce that we'll be using for our pasta dish. So guys, see you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. God bless us all.